POV how to
Hi
make homemade
guys,
body
how you guys
scrub.
doing? I hope you're okay. All right, join me. Let's make my homemade body scrub. And these are my ingredients. I have sugar, I have honey, I have turmeric, small coconut oil, and of course, salt, and body wash. Of course, I use black soap as my body wash, so I just dissolve some of it in the water to use. Ahem. All right, so what am I supposed to do? First, I pour my sugar inside. This is going to be big because I'm going to be giving out some to someone special. So that's that. So this is the amount of sugar I've poured inside. Turmeric. This is one. Let me use 1.5 spoon. Okay. Okay. This oil is small, so I'm going to pour all. And for the salt, I just want to put 1 tablespoon, even though it's not full like that. Okay, just a small pinch of salt, and then this is honey. Do I have to measure? No, but let me just put enough honey. I think this is more than 2 spoons. Okay, now I have to turn it. So when I'm done turning, I'll be back. So far, this is how I've been able to turn it. But let me pour my body wash so that it will help me to turn it more better. Because of course it needs some liquid. I have to turn that up. So far it's not really dissolved well, but at least if you're Igbo, you understand this black soup. This is Nchankota in my language. So yeah. Okay. Alright. Now I have to do excess toning. By the time I'm done toning, I'll be back. So I'm done toning the body scrub. And this is the final results. See? So all I have to do now is just package it in the container I usually put it, and that's that. And also send out some, reserve some for my friend. All right, so try it. It's not hard to do. It's just sugar. Even with sugar and turmeric and body wash, you can do it with honey if you have honey too. All right, bye bye.